Hello! What I'm working on here today is a Milwaukee hammer drill driver, the 1/2 inch. It has a bad chuck on it. After you tighten it down, it doesn't want to come up, and you have to put a pipe wrench on it to get it out. So I'm going to try to replace it. It was about 6 days out of warranty, so unfortunately there was nothing I could do about it. However, Milwaukee was very helpful and sent me an email with all the schematics and part numbers of what I got to get. So it's kind of hard to see in there, but the first step is, yep, there it is, to get that bolt out. And that bolt is a T40, Torx 40. They recommend using a pencil torch or using a heat gun that has a reducer on it, basically. I tried that, didn't even think about coming out. I kept snapping the T40 bits. So we're going to elevate our game a little bit, and we're going to use some nap gas. I figured that we're going to roach this anyway, so why not get it nice and hot and go from there. I'm also going to try an impact. Hey, why not the Milwaukee that came with it, and see if we can't break it loose using impact instead of using a bar and a cheater. So let's give it a shot. Go. So that's about 30 seconds. So let's see what we can do. Well, it does not want to come out using the impact, even on speed 3. So I guess we're going to have to use the cheater bar on a 1/4 inch open and or box and wrench, they said. All right, let's get a little more heat on it and we'll get set up for that. Alright, so we got our T40 1/4 inch box and wrench, cheater bar, and some heat. We gave it 30 seconds last time. Let's give it a minute this time. Alright, that should do it. Alright, we're in. Here we go. Let's try it again. We actually twisted sitting. There we go again. Oh, and we broke it off, so that's not going to work. Yep, let's try to reassess. I'm going to get the 1/4 inch ratchet out now. Thankfully it's a Husky with a lifetime warranty, but don't tell anybody. Alright, another minute of map gas here. Starting now. Starting now. All right, here we go. Well, that T40's done. All right, well, I got a new T40. Actually amazed that the ratchet held up to that punishment. All right, here we go. Another broken T40. Well, I don't know what to do from here. I've got T40 sockets. However, they're not deep enough to go in. So I can't use those. Keep exploring other options. Alright, another option is I have a butane torch. Let's see if I can get in a little more precise. I know I'm hitting it because I can see the bolt getting kind of red flakes on it. All right, try it again. Another T40 bites the dust. Now this one's black, not gray. Maybe it's a little stronger. It did not make any mention of it being reverse threaded in the manual that I got. But you know what? I'm going to try to tighten it a hair just to see if that'll break it loose one way, and then we can break it loose the other way. Well, it appears that it is reverse threaded. Huh. I didn't see anything in the PDF about that. Well, there you have it. Alright, so you may find this hard to believe, but I'll admit that I'm wrong. I did look back at the PDF that was sent to me by Milwaukee, and it did in fact say turn it counterclockwise. I was looking for the verbiage of reverse threaded. That unfortunately did not occur. So next step is, they said take a 1/2 inch Allen wrench, tighten it up, and then it did say go counterclockwise. So we are now loaded with a 1/2 inch Allen key. We have our cheater bar, and we're going to go left. And there you have it. This is what it looks like. What even has a part number? 20. I think it's a 150602-1-15. Not too shabby. I'm going to guess that the installation is the reverse of this. Put this on with a 1/2 inch key, tighten it nice and tight, get the new screw, drop her in, be good as new. Okay, so we're back. I have acquired the new chuck and a new reverse threaded bolt. Didn't mention to put any Loctite on here, so I'm not going to. We'll thread that on. And then, just like taking it off, we'll put the Allen wrench in it. Alright, so now we've got the reverse threaded bolt. It has the Loctite on it. So remember, we're going to go left to tighten it. And that should do it. Let's pop a battery in it. We'll test it out. Looks really good. All right, so we saved $100-some tool with about $50 in parts that should have been warranted, but what are you gonna do? If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me. I'll do the best I can to answer them. Have a good one.